Howdy Rockstars, Lid Shaw here, and I've got a very cool thing that just arrived here at the studio, and I'm going to unbox it for you. This is the AX-IO interface from IK Multimedia. It's a 2-channel interface that is designed specifically for guitar players, so let's check it out. Alright, so if you take a close look, you'll notice that it's a premium audio I/O interface, but it's also designed for specific guitar tone shaping. So this interface allows you to record a couple of mics directly into the back if you want to, or you can plug your guitar straight into the front and use the tone shaping knob to dial in a guitar tone, and it's going to interface directly with AmpliTube inside of your DAW. In fact, there's even a knob on the front of this thing that will let you control AmpliTube from directly on the interface, and you get a special tuner feature which is built into the interface. There's a lot of cool stuff on this. All right, cool, let's open up the box and see what's inside. Very nice, comes packaged in foam to keep it safe and sound while it's shipping to you. Cool, the interface box feels totally solid, which is great. It feels like a nice build. Not too heavy, but it doesn't feel light and fluffy like it's cheap or anything like that. Great, so here's the power supply that it comes with. Okay, all you have to do to plug this in is just find the power tongs that work for your country and power needs. So there's the US ones right there. Plug it right into that wall adapter, and there's a little lever there that sort of loosens it so you can get it in there, and it's a nice tight fit. So it's not going to fall out on you later. A little bit tricky, but once you got it in there, it's solid. So that's not going anywhere. So that's pretty great. I'll never have to think about that again. I'll just be in there for good. All right, so if we take a look at the front panel here, you'll immediately notice that we've got a couple of different guitar inputs. And if we go straight to input 1, that actually uses what's called the Z-tone section, which allows you to turn this knob to adjust between your different pickup impedances on your guitar and really vary your tone while you're recording. Some of the other cool things, we've got a couple of different switches here. You've got a passive versus an active switch. So depending on the pickups you're using, you can match the tone of your guitar. And then you also have JFET versus PURE input. So JFET will give you a little bit more of a harmonic enhancement to your guitar, which is pretty cool. Of course, you can record a second guitar or bass right in here into input 2 and get a direct sound going straight to AmpliTube if you want to. And then come on over here and you have a preset knob. What's cool about this is going to let you actually adjust presets within AmpliTube in the DAW to control stuff, which is killer. You got a 48-volt phantom switch here for condenser mics and a built-in tuner on this interface. So like I said, this is designed for guitar players, and the first thing we want to do when we record guitar is tune when we get ready to record, right? Over here we've got a monitor knob which goes between the direct input of your guitar or 100% of the DAW return. This allows you to adjust for any latency that you might be getting from your session. You've got a headphone jack here so you can plug your headphones in, headphone output knob, and then a master output knob which controls the monitor outputs on the very back of the unit. This is actually an amp through out, so you can plug your guitar in on that side, get the tone from AmpliTube in the DAW, and simultaneously run a cable out of here into your guitar amp, mic up your guitar amp, and get an amp tone at the same time. Taking a look at the back of the unit, you'll notice we have 2 combo jacks that allow us to plug in XLRs where we can feed our condenser mics phantom power if we need to, or use dynamic mics, or we can just plug a couple of direct line inputs right there. You've got 4 different outputs, 1 and 2 for monitor outputs going directly to your studio monitors, and an additional 3 and 4 for balanced line outputs if you need them. Over here, this is a very cool feature. You can plug in up to 2 expression pedal and foot switches to control your guitar sounds. So if part of your guitar sound is changing your sounds while you're performing, or let's say you even wanted to use it live and have control over your distortion levels or your wahs or your modulation filters of effects and things, you could actually set that up right here. This has a USB 2 output which interfaces directly with your computer. It'll also interface directly with iOS, so if you want to get your AmpliTube sounds directly from your iPad or your iPhone, you can just hook this whole interface up to that and control your sounds there. You've also got a classic MIDI in and out right here so that you can hook up MIDI cables and other interfaces like guitar, MIDI, switch interfaces if you want. And then we got a power input here and power switch on the back. So all in all, this thing is very cool and diverse, and it's going to allow you to get a high quality audio recording as your DAW interface for your home studio, but it's also going to let you get killer guitar tones while you're working, which is super cool. I'm excited to check this out in the studio. If you want to learn more about the Axe.io and AmpliTube 4 from IK Multimedia, then just go to the link below and check it out. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.